Hi everybody, I have this thing for show you. This air condition, home air condition remote. Okay, I just share to you what about I have to know. Okay, this AC air condition, AC motor. This DC air condition or inverter. Huh? We have to type air condition. Okay. AC air condition I think is technology long time ago technology, and DC motor type inverter I think the best for last time. Okay. First thing you want to turn on your air condition. You just to see this side, and remember, not this side, only this side. Cooling mode, make cooling. Okay, for this one. Hey, this side, not this side. You just remember and make sure you just use mode. This mode, this side, and mode. Mode. This side only for make cooling. For display, cool. Mode, cool mode. Don't change in the auto mode. Okay, you just select cool mode, make work on cooling mode. Okay. And next, then you turn on. I think for Thailand water, you just wait length 24 to 27. I think is work and save your money. 24 is make cool and use the high power. Okay, I think you select 27 is nearly hot and save your money. Okay, if you select candy length, I think it's not work. If you select 33, 31, I think your addiction working not 100 spec. You just serve it. You just have a service because you make cooling down for 23, 22. I think your air you feeling your air is not fresh. You take down. If you are not fresh, that your air just must be service. Okay, if you service, you make your temp to 24 to 27. Okay. I think for this one, DC. Oh, okay. I share you a little for AC motor and DC motor. AC power. AC motor is any of our AC motor work. I think DC motor is use high power, take high power. Then it wake up or take on. AC motor is spec if actually current working 5 amp, then you turn on your air condition or air condition compressor is wake up. In a second on on wake up, it motor use double spec. If spec 5 amp is load 10 amp, use high power. Use high power. Okay. I think this different DC. Use high power and then it wake up. You see your lighting. Yeah. Lighting. Your lighting is down in second and wake up. Same. The AC motor work. That AC motor use high amp transfer for your breaker, and high amp load to your motor. Your light have the enough amp. Your light is down, then AC motor is take on or wake up working. Okay. My English is have no more words. I think I have the words in English 200. I think 200. Okay, DC motor is inverter technology working by microcontroller on mainboard, chip control ampere to motor. Working is chill. No, not have not cut on off. Working not on off same AC. This working by dimmer load. Okay, if your temp your room temp is high 24, your sensor on education and system control to your compressor supply high amp motor work from low speed to high speed in a time, in a minute. Not take off, turn on, take on, take off. Same AC is save your money because DC use dimmer amp, low high dimmer. Okay, the best for this inverter air condition type. One, working is noiseless. Noiseless is is motor DC working on low amp, slow working, and okay, make your temperature in your room is stable for fueling, because make cooling from low speed to high speed use many times. DC motor just working just speed low speed for many time, up high speed, up to high for many time, not on off. You are then you use the inverter equation. You have no say. Your light is down and up anytime. Yeah. This can be save your power. Okay. I have no many English words. Then I can speak long time. Just many time. Okay. See you next video and next my English experience. Up or down, up or down. Okay. Or in the line. Okay. Thank you.